Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of high-power USB devices which I've tested in the past didn't really meet my expectations or actually the specifications. And so for me, it was also very important to test this Mfish E-Tank 240 watts 7-in-1 GaN Desktop Charging Station, which I got from the seller to show you before I wanted to give you a clear recommendation. Of course, I understand that a lot of people already want to buy it because it looks so super cool. I mean, this design really already blew me away, but it's also super solid build, comes with these soft rubber pads underneath. We have these 4 USB-C ports on the side, 140 watts, 102 times 30 watts maximum output, and we have 3 times standard grounded 110 volts outlets, and the cable is also very solid, also grounded. That's what we want to see. And so I started first with a test to see if we get some really nice fast charging protocol support, and my test device could definitely confirm that. Pretty much support for everything, even up to 20 volts. That's very important. Otherwise, a lot of high power USB devices wouldn't charge, for example, laptops, especially gaming laptops. And so I tested this with my Lenovo laptop, which is usually very picky regarding USB-C power, but it has charged instantly with pretty much the maximum which I can get into this power bank with around 95 watts. But then of course I also wanted to see the maximum power, and not only the maximum power of up to 140 watts of this first USB-C port here, but also together with the second one, which is 100 watts. So altogether providing 240 watts. And so has it really delivered? And I can definitely confirm that it has delivered a whopping 240 watts without any problems, even for longer time, to my power banks. And I never had the impression that this charging station would get hot or so. Absolutely not. And on top of that, we have even this really beautiful illumination, which we can change here with a button press from the side. Really nice, beautiful pulsing light in many different colors, or you can also turn it off, for example, when you want to use it in your bedroom. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. Yeah, I personally have never seen anything better than that, especially when it comes to the whole package regarding power and design and usability. Yeah, it's really hard to find any problems, any limitations regarding this power station. I mean, it's a 7-in-1, and so of course we expect also some decent power here on 110 volts, but I have to tell you, this is a little bit limited. I mean, of course, this is pretty much standard when we have such power strips. Most of them are limited to around 1250 watts, and so that's exactly the same thing here. So it's not suitable, for example, for high power kitchen helpers or other tools which you have in your garage or so, or heavy machines you're using outside or something like that. 1250 also usually not suitable for high power hair dryers. But other than that, I really couldn't find any problem at all. I really love this high power 7-in-1 charger or charging station. And so if you're also interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could also be a really nice gift because it's so beautiful, not only the device but even the packaging. And so hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this charging station, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.